ka namin eh. Boti!
Hello.
Hello po. Yes po. Badge, pa-help ako. Mag-liquidate na ako.
Yes, ma'am. Bayaran ko na muna to tapos...
Ay, ako na magbayad.
Sige, sagot ko na yung pabalik. Ito 121. Sagot ko kayong lahat.
Ito, may 100 na ako.
Ito naman. Sige na, huwag na magtalo ako na naman mabalik. Kaki. Kaki.
Binigay agad.
Hindi price.
Sorry! Kasi, kala ko bababa na.
Aray ko. Kahit traffic ko yun dito. Huwag na nasigihin mo.
You're going here, right? Here?
Yes.
The Trinity?
Trinity.
Yes.
Trinity of Asia. You working there? Working?
Yes.
Yes.
Trinity Asia?
Ay, no.
No?
We're just, try out. We're having try out.
Oh.
Kala mo naman galing. Trying hard.
Try out for volleyball and basketball. Yes.
You working, right? Working. I'm looking workers here. Workers for my business.
Business.
What business, sir?
It's Pogo and Sugar.
Pogo.
Lay. Apply na lay. Sugal daw mag-lay.
Oh my God.
Yo, looking here. Still looking establishment.
I think along Pasay.
Pasay.
Diba meron dun sa Pasay? Madami dun, diba?
Very expensive there. I want here Quezon City.
Quezon City.
Very cheap here.
Lay. Any recommendation daw lay?
You know it. Yeah, Pogo in Sugar.
Yes,
You know
it's Sugal. Sugal.
What is that? You know it? You don't know?
I don't have any
Pogo and
idea
Sugal
po.
are...
Basta alam ko.
Pogo and Sugal are illegal here in the
Illegal
Philippines.
here.
Illegal
Yes.
here?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, this is Pogo and Sugar.
Oh my God!
Oh, Sugar is...
I see.
Ito yung mga napapanood ko sa ano eh. Alam mo kuya, Pilipino ka naman talaga eh. Pili ko nga eh.
Hi!
Sugar.
Yeah, Pogo and Sugar.
You make me laugh, kuya. You make me laugh.
You laughing?
Yeah.
Why?
I think, I thought you're talking about is Sugal, the illegal...
Sugar.
The gambling.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, sugar.
Yeah, this is
Sugar and
Sugar.
Pogo.
Yeah.
Egg.
Yeah,
Quail egg.
Quail egg.
Yeah, quail egg. Yeah, quail egg. Yeah, looking here. Yeah, in Quezon City.
Right. Can you sing her a happy birthday in Korean? Because to this,
It's
her
my
birthday.
birthday.
Yeah.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하. Your birthday today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, how old are you?
36.
26? Oh, you single?
Married.
Oh, married. 생일 축하합니다. In Tagalog, how to say?
Maligayang
Maligayang birthday.
maligayang kaarawan. Just like that.
Palo.
Yeah, 그런데 에레미야, what's your name?
Leia.
Oh yeah, Leia. In the app. How about them?
This is
Joshua.
Attorney Joshua. Then this is
Georgie.
Attorney Georgie.
JD.
What is attorney? Attorney.
Yes, they are both attorney.
No.
We are working at government.
Are you
Yes.
government?
Saan nga ba to? Yung ano natin? Trinity? Trinity.
200m 앞에서 회전입니다.
Are you familiar with the road?
You follow the ways, really follow the ways. You first time to ride Korean drama? You first time?
It's my first time.
Yeah.
Hindi. Lapit mo siya. Ayun nila, 90 meters.
First time ko nga.
Pasok sa Trinity.
Mr. Hoon. Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Woon, your name.
Yeah, that's my last name.
Mr. Woon. Okay. Your first name?
Sutang.
Susutang.
Sutang.
Sutang Woon.
Sutanghon.
In Korea.
Nice
Sutang.
name. Okay. Usutang.
Yeah, but
Okay.
here.
Usutang.
Yeah, go inside here, I think.
Yes.
Yes.
Safer, it's safer here.
So what's your English name?
In the up.
In the app?
Yeah. It's hard to pronounce. Actually, I
Ano siyang pangalan?
chose that. Here.
Yes.
Yeah, here. Very quick.
목적지에 도착했습니다.
Ito ba?
I think here.
Or sa kabila?
Oh, entrance is there or
Oo, sa kabila ata, sir. Ayun yung mga motor nila, oh.
it's along the road?
Yeah,
I think.
This is along the road.
Oo nga, Fred. Ito nga. Ayun, no?
Motor ni Sergio. Sir?
Joel. Nanghula pa nga. Dito na tayo.
There?
Ito yung entrance ata. Ayun, no, entrance, oh.
Okay, dyan na lang tayo.
Ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Dito na lang.
Oh my
Sabi siya,
God.
Pinoy.
Sabi ko na sabi.
Panood ko na eh.
Naloko mo ako, kuya.
Dito na
It's a
lang.
prank pala.
Prank.
Napanood niyo ako, sir?
Oo, sir.
Saan?
Madami sa Facebook.
Si
Sabi
ma'am.
ko na nga, no,
napapanood ko.
hindi kita napapanood.
Sabi ko lang nga,
kanina
pagpasok ko, parang feeling ko, ito yung vibes na yun, Ayun yung ano nyo, oo.
Picture mo na tayo.
Pag nakita ako doon.
Oo.
So, okay lang ba? Isama ko sa content ko?
Sige.
Of course.
Okay lang?
Yan.
Picture tayo.
Anong channel? Anong?
Don Bertos TV po.
Ayan, napa-English tuloy ako sa'yo, kuya. Ang galing-galing mo,
Yan.
Kita ba kami?
Ay, sama mo naman silang dalawa sa likod. Yan.
Bebe, isa pa.
Yan.
Wow.
Anong
So,
Facebook page?
Don Bertos TV po. So, ito yung camera natin.
Humberto's
Apo.
TV.
Nakita niyo to na, sir?
Hindi.
Ito hindi
Pero
halata
ito
yung
kita ko to.
Ah, ito.
Kaya ano.
So, ito yung camera ko. Yan, dalawa.
Oh my God!
Hindi mo alam. Ano ba?
Oh, what? Ayan, sisikat na ba?
Pwede.
Wow!
My God. Oh, shout out mo kami, ha?
Ayan, shoutout nyo po yung mga kaibigan nyo po. Yan.
Ay, shout out din kay tsaka kay Jeff. Magtrabaho kayo.
Hi, Marcy!
Mm.
Tsaka yung Ruth. Ma'am Tin, hello.
Na-prank kami.
Na-prank kami.
Na-prank to.
Oh,
Na-prank to. For the English.
Pwede rin English, actually, it's my first time.
Pogo pa! Pogo ka pa. Kakapogo mo yan.
Ma'am. It's a free ride po.
Wey! Legit ba?
Oo, nagko-content lang po ako, sir.
Oo,
Oh
kaya
my
ano ka na,
God.
meron ng...
Balik ka.
Ang dami mo naman sasakyan, kuya.
Oh my God.
Iba-iba? Or ano? Feeling ko iba-iba yung sasakyan. Kasama ka ba sa iba?
Ano?
Muli
Naprank mo ako.
Birthday niya
Oh,
talaga.
kaya nga eh. Sakto. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Marami na akong na-prank na birthday ngayon, tas prank ngayon. Marami na akong napaprank na ganun. So yan, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Good luck.
Sir.
Yan.
Thank you so
It's a free
much.
rides.
Salamat
Thank
po.
you so much.
Bye.
God bless.
You're welcome. It's very quick. Napakalapit ng biyahe namin. Ulang sa kwentuhan. Pero goods pa rin. Na-prank pa rin si ma'am sa harapan. Ay! Kalimutan ko bigyan ng sticker. Oh my G! Nakalimutan ko bigyan ng sticker! I'm not sure kung mapapanood nila to. Ah.